Behind every good meal, there is preparation. Cooking becomes passion when you have nice tools. Chef's most important tool is his knife. We have designed Hiroto, a knife that is stylish, versatile, and durable enough to last a lifetime. Made from VG10 high-carbon steel, nitrogen-cooled, corrosion-resistant, mirror-polished, ultra-sharp, ergonomic handle for better hand control. Well-balanced and hand-forged. Slice, dice, chop, and cut. It's designed for a wide range of tasks in the kitchen. Upgrade your cooking equipment, and you will find that your gourmet meals will follow.
Hi, my name's Andrew Sanderson, and I'm the designer of the Modern Fuel mechanical pencil. 2 years ago, I ran a really successful campaign for the pencil, so now I've decided to run a second campaign for a much improved version of it. The way that I think about design is really summed up by architect John Pawson. He says that an object achieves perfection when it cannot be improved by subtraction. That is what I think about when I'm designing and making the pencil. I was blown away by the support of the Kickstarter community for the first version of the pencil. I got some great feedback and requests for new features, materials, and lead sizes. So I've been working hard to roll those into the second version. I'm really excited to present the second version of the Modern Fuel mechanical pencil. Our focus for the second edition of the pencil was to take the great feedback from the previous Kickstarter campaign and the community and offer more features. So we wanted to start off by offering more material. So we now have titanium, copper, stainless steel, and bronze. It is the first time that you'll see this type of bronze normally reserved for high-end watches being used to make a mechanical pencil. We also wanted to offer more lead sizes, so we have 0.5, 0.7, 0.9mm options. Our mechanism has no plastic parts. It is a custom designed mechanism for our pencil that is completely metal. You can also use any of our mechanisms in a single body of the pencil. So if that means you want to switch from 0.5 for sketching to 0.7 for writing, you can use the same body and just switch out the mechanism. Each pencil is tested to make sure it is perfectly balanced, and then it is given a unique serial number that is hidden inside the pencil. We've also designed and developed a hidden screw system for holding the pencil parts together, and we provide an Allen key so you can take the pencil apart. One of the biggest improvements from the first edition is that we now have a retractable tip. A retractable tip will prevent damage if the pencil is ever dropped. In addition, we added an O-ring seal between the cone and the body, so the cone no longer becomes loose. We've also added the option to replace the eraser with a stylus tip. And finally, we've added the option of an eraser plug. This is for anybody who wants to remove the eraser for a totally seamless look. So even though the new pencil has many new features, we're still completely committed to quality in US manufacturing. We're still using the family-owned machine shop, Brightwood Precision up in Chicago, and we assemble each and every pencil here in Austin, Texas. And we're also very dedicated to our handcrafted seamless design. I truly believe this pencil will last you a lifetime. If there's ever a problem with it, send it back to me and I will fix it or make you a new one, no questions asked. I really wanted to say thank you. Thank you for your support for this campaign, and thank you for your support for the first campaign. It really has allowed me to do what I love to do, and that's design things. So I really hope you enjoy using the Modern Fuel mechanical pencil as much as I enjoy designing it.
Wearable health technology is helping humans live longer and better than ever. But so far, little has been done for our beloved canine companions. Our dogs aren't just pets. They're part of the family. So why shouldn't there be wearable healthcare for them too? This is Waggit, the only health and well-being monitor that can improve and possibly extend the life of your dog. Believe us when we say this is no novelty product. It's a truly life-changing innovation for dog parents everywhere. Waggit tracks nearly everything your best friend does throughout the day and gives you all the data in our handy app. In fact, it looks a lot like human health apps you might be familiar with, so there's no learning curve. Waggit records your dog's baseline. That way, it instantly alerts you if something seems out of the ordinary. After all, our dogs can't exactly tell us when something's wrong. Is your dog's heart respiration rate trending up? Waggit will let you know. Is your dog no longer lying on his left side? Waggit will tell you. Is your dog drinking a lot more water and not sleeping as well as usual? Waggit lets you know that too. Activity levels, temperature, and nutrition information are just a few of the other important health indicators Waggit monitors. These may seem like small things, but they can be symptoms of serious problems. And the sooner you can find out about them, the better chance your dog has of making a full recovery. Plus, you'll save thousands on those costly vet bills. Waggit also tracks your dog's location, so in the event that Fido gets lost, you'll be able to track and find him immediately. You can even set up a virtual fence that lets you know when your dog has wandered out of bounds. You probably won't be surprised to learn that we're dog lovers ourselves. We both suffered the loss of a few beloved pets, and after discovering that early detection of those traumatic illnesses could have meant the difference between life and death, we decided that we never want another pet parent to experience what we did. We decided that pets deserve the chance to alert their parents when something's wrong. We decided to do something about it, and thus, Waggit was born. We're living in a world where people are taking better care of their pets than ever, so a smart collar just made sense. We think Waggit is going to completely change the lives of dogs and their parents. And now, we need the help of passionate pet parents like you to help us bring Waggit to a larger audience. Once you have a Waggit collar, you won't be able to imagine life without it. Your dog deserves Waggit, and so do you.
I think that there is a pioneer within each and every one of us, whether you're planning out for your next adventure, learning something new and mastering your craft, or on a journey of innovation. We all have a natural urge to progress, and that all starts with an idea. Every great idea starts with a pen and paper. The integration of the PL1 Pioneer Wallet and Pen not only allows you to carry your essentials, it also allows you to capture your ideas at any given moment. The PL1 Pioneer Wallet was designed to fit your lifestyle. There's many ways to use the wallet, whether you carry light or full.
We're innovators, we're creators, we're tinkerers. We're always thinking of redefining products and pushing the envelope. We design our products to have a clean, striking design, are highly functional, and use the best materials possible. For the PL1 Pioneer Wallet, we use vegetable tan leather sourced from Italy, a pressurized ink refill sourced from Germany, and we cut, sew, and assemble our wallets in a factory that's part of the SF Made organization. The SF Made organization empowers employees with a good living wage, good working conditions, and keeps manufacturing alive and well in San Francisco, California. It's important to us that we're socially responsible when it comes to making our products. This is our third Kickstarter, and we're really excited to share this journey with you. With your support and participation in our campaign, we can bring this project to life.
good.